Hello everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and we are back with another vehicle walk-around tour. Today we're going to be highlighting the 2023 Mercedes-Benz GLB 250. This vehicle is for sale. If you're interested in learning more about it, or you want to set up a test drive, we'd love to work with you. You can always reach us on our website, feldmanimports.com. So here in today's video, I'm just going to highlight some of the interior and exterior features. Just kind of a nice overview of the vehicle. You can see it's got a really nice red exterior. Got blind spot assist there. Our Mercedes-Benz wheels. Got kind of a light beige interior. A little bit of a wood grain accent trim. Got some silver accents as well. Heated power memory seats. And here's our driver's seat with lumbar support. Sunroof stretching from the front to the rear. We do have a heated steering wheel as well. Just flip that little switch there to turn that on. You get your light controls here, parking brake, and let's go ahead and hop inside. Alright, mileage currently at 13,396. We do have a push button ignition. And here we have our Mercedes-Benz steering wheel. So we've got the physical buttons here, so you can flip that up and down for your volume controls there. You've also got your cell phone and Bluetooth functionality there as well. Above that we've got a home, a touchpad, and then a back button, and this is how you'll control your main display. So I just hit the home button there, which brought up our main options here. And then you can just flip through using this little touchpad and then actually push down to select. So that's one way you can control your main display. It is also a touchscreen, so you can use it, just like so. Say for example, if we want to change out the colors of these LED ambient lights that you see throughout the vehicle. Got them in the vents, on the doors, on the dash, your center console, down below, and yeah, all fully customizable. So currently just doing a single color there. We can switch that to a nice kind of red color. You've got multi-colors here, so that'll actually do different colors, throughout the vehicle. Pretty cool, pretty cool. There's also some different effects, like so when you enter the vehicle and turn it on, the welcome effect. The climate one's also pretty cool, so if you were to decrease the temperature, turn it down here, it actually will flash blue, and then when you increase the temperature, it flashes red. Pretty cool. So two options there to control your main display. You've also got a touchpad right here in your center console, so you can just slide back and forth, up and down, and then press down to select as well. So below your that's funny. So below your display, we've got climate control here. So you got physical buttons here, and then you also, if you hit this menu button, it'll actually bring up a display up here. So then you can control it, same as using the touchpad or any other options here. Below your climate controls, we've got a wireless charging pad for a cell phone, power adapter, USB connection, cup holders, then your center console, which has your dynamic select switch. So you can use that to switch between the different performance modes. You've got your parking cameras here, and actually has a parking assist, which is super, super handy. We'd love to show you how that works in person sometime. You get your vehicle settings, navigation, radio, and so on. Alright, so back to our steering wheel. So that was everything on the right side, controlling that main display. You also got paddle shifters here on both sides. You've got your main Mercedes shifter here as well. So you flip up for reverse, which will actually activate your backup camera here. And then you can flip it down for drive, and then push in for park. Over on our other side here, we've got cruise control settings, and then a very similar interface with the home button, the touchpad, and the back button. And this controls your driver interface here, so fully customizable, which just kind of helps keep your eyes a little closer to the road, so you don't have to go back and forth to the main display there. But then you can easily, turn on radio and then switch between different radio stations using your touchpad. and so on. Behind that, we've got our wiper controls and turn signal. And let's go ahead and turn this off. I'll show you the rear seats here next. Just before we do that, you do have your sunroof controls here also, so you just flip it back to open and then push forward to close. Alright, got our rear seats here next. Another look at that sunroof. And then let's do one more quick peek back up front. Alright. And then coming around to the rear of the vehicle, we have our GLB 250, Mercedes-Benz, and 4MATIC badging. Power opening and closing trunk. Got the cover here, which is easily removable, but yeah, plenty of storage space back here for you. And then push button to close. So once again, this is the 2023 Mercedes-Benz GLB 250 4MATIC. If you're interested in learning more, you have any questions, or even want to set up a test drive, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.